Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I hope we are doing well today. I'm really excited to share something with you. A product that is like personal and fun, really good. It's called hair body lotion. And today I will talking about we are agrees to this great choice for daily skincare. Let's jump in for the presentation. Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Alza Badilla. Today I'd like to share with you a great skincare product that is promosi recommend. It's called hair body lotion. It's technique in soften your skin. But today let's exhaust why I think this product is really worth trying. What makes hair body lotion special in its natural ingredients like olive oil and whitening extract. This makes the skin feel soft and healthy, and also the UV filter just help protect the skin for sun damage. Very useful if you're active outdoors. And personality, I love this can refresh and last a long time. The lotion does not just smell good and really works. It helps make your skin look better and feel some today, especially if you have the dry or rag skin. And also like that is not sticky, so you can apply it before going out. It absorbs quickly and fast, like you can use it every day with no problem. So if you are looking for a lotion that's affordable, active, effective, and smell great, I recommend you try Herboris. It's come in many scents, and you can easily find it soft or online. You can also follow the Instagram Herbalist Natural Care for more tips and info. Let's take care of the skin and feel confident every day. Okay, thank you so much guys for waiting. Don't forget to take care of your skin and see you next time. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.